It all started when James Dyson became frustrated with the performance of his own vacuum cleaner, which constantly lost suction. Inspired, he developed over 5,000 prototypes before inventing the first bagless vacuum cleaner, the Dyson DC-01, in 1993. His unique cyclonic separation technology revolutionized the vacuum cleaner market, making Dyson a household name. By focusing on sleek design and functionality, Dyson expanded the brand beyond vacuums to hairdryers, fans, and air purifiers. Today, Dyson continues to innovate and dominate in home appliances, proving that perseverance and a commitment to innovation can truly change an industry. From its humble beginnings, Dyson has become synonymous with quality, design, and cutting-edge technology, leading the charge for better household products worldwide.